Today we're cooking barbecue chicken legs in our air fryer, so let's get cooking. For our ingredients today, we're going to start with 8 chicken legs. For our other ingredients, we're going to be using some brown sugar. We're going to use some salt and pepper. We're going to have some garlic powder, some yellow mustard, some chili lime seasoning, some paprika, some onion powder, and then of course we're going to have our barbecue sauce. And today we're going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So I'm going to start now by taking these seasonings, our salt and pepper, onion powder, paprika, the chili lime, and the garlic powder, and I'm going to rub each of those individually onto our chicken legs. So here we go. We've got our salt. I like to rub these in really good. Now we're going to be putting on our pepper. I'm going to rub this in really good also. Now we're going to start with our onion powder. Now we're going to put on some paprika. Next we have our chili lime. I had never used this chili lime really before, and my daughter was telling me all about it, and it really adds some really good flavor. And now we're going to put on our garlic powder. Rub that really good. And now we're going to turn these over, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to put all of those same seasonings on this side of our chicken legs. So now our chicken legs are coated on both sides, and I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and let them marinate a little bit until we're ready to put them into the air fryer. And all of our spices up here, if you like how these spices are in these little jars, be sure and check out our video on how to set up your spice drawer. Now while our chicken legs are in the refrigerator, I'm going to go ahead and mix up our barbecue sauce. And I'm going to take our Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to put the recipe, the ingredients, and the different amounts in the description below the video. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in here just a little bit of this yellow mustard. So we have our mustard in, and we're just going to mix this up real good. And we're going to be putting in some more barbecue sauce, so we'll have plenty for both sides. And then I'm going to put in a little brown sugar. I'm going to mix that up. Just want to see how much we have. Yeah, we're going to need quite a bit more. There we go. I'm going to mix that up, put a little more mustard in and a little more brown sugar. We're going to put in here, I'm going to put another scoop of this brown sugar in here. And then at the very last minute, I decided to put just a little bit of honey in. Just a little bit of honey in there. I'll put honey in just about anything. So as soon as the chicken legs are ready to come out of the refrigerator, we're going to head to the air fryer. So we're ready to put our chicken legs in the air fryer. I have gone ahead and I put some foil on this bottom tray. It makes cleanup so much easier. And then on the 2 trays that we're going to be using today, I've gone ahead and also sprayed some cooking spray on them so that they don't stick. So our chicken legs are now ready to go into the air fryer. And I'm going to heat our air fryer on 400 for about 5-6 minutes, and then we're going to put them in. Now we are all ready to put our chicken legs in, and we are going to put these on 400. We're going to let them go for about probably 20 minutes, and then we're going to check them, and we'll be putting the barbecue sauce on towards the end. Our chicken legs have been going for about 20 minutes. I'm going to take them out, and we're going to flip them over. So let's see what our chicken legs are looking like. They are looking wonderful. So let's just take both racks out and flip them over real quick. So I have taken these out, I have flipped them over. I'm going to close it back up, and we're going to stay on 400. We're going to go for about another 10 minutes, and then we're going to take them out, and at that time we'll be adding our barbecue sauce. Now if you are using an air fryer that is a basket instead of trays, you may not have to cook it quite as long. That's what I've been finding out. But for this one with the trays, we do need to cook it a little bit longer. We need to make sure that temperature gets to be about 180 up there for your chicken. And right now, just out of curiosity, I checked it and we're only about at 150. Now let's check our chicken legs. They are looking wonderful. We're going to take them out and then we're going to start putting on the barbecue sauce. So now we're ready to put on our barbecue sauce, and I tasted it a while ago after we got everything mixed in, and oh, it tastes so good. So here we go. We're going to put this all over. So we have coated this side. I'm going to coat the other 4. Then I'm going to put them in for about 2.5 minutes. Here we are. We have one side coated, and we're going to put them on for about 2.5 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to take them out and turn them over and put the barbecue sauce on the other side. We're almost done coating our chicken. We're just going to put this really nice and thick all over this side of our chicken legs. Well, we have just finished coating the other side of our chicken legs. And if this has been helpful and you're learning something today, please click that like button and subscribe so you know when our new videos come out. And we're going to put these right back in the air fryer, and I will see you in 2 minutes. Well, look at these chicken legs. They look wonderful and they just smell fantastic. And if you're looking for a great side dish, be sure and check out those baked beans that are popping up there in the corner. They're wonderful. I will see you over there. Bye-bye.